Hello everyone, welcome to Friendly Vibes. I'm here with another video. This video is more useful for drawing artists like me. Well, I'm just a beginner. Drawing is just one of my hobbies, so this is my first drawing kit. I want to share my drawing kit experience, or you can call it as review. I'll show you the whole kit, which I bought it from Flipkart. I'll share the link in the description below. The kit is from H&B and the kit contains 2 pencil sharpeners, 12 sketching pencils, 1 woodless pencil, 3 charcoal pencils, paper cutter, pencil extender, 3 paper pens, rubber eraser, kneaded eraser, 3 graphite sticks, 3 charcoal sticks and a sandpaper block. In this video, I'll discuss in detail about all these things, so please watch the video completely. The sharpeners. You can get 2 pencil sharpeners in this kit, a plastic one and a metal one. Plastic one contains only 1 hole, where metal one contains 2 holes. The paper cutter. This one is just like a normal paper cutter. The pencil extender. The extender just extends the length of the pencil. It has 2 heads. The fine head used to clip regular thick pencils and the thick head used to clip more thickened pencils. The paper pens. We can also call them as paper brushes. This kit contains 3 different sizes of paper pens. The erasers, rubber eraser. It was just like a normal regular rubber eraser. Kneaded eraser, also commonly known as putty rubber, such as a rubber and resembles putty or chewing gum. You can also shape them like what you want. The graphite rods. There are 3 graphite rods in this kit: soft, medium and hard. The charcoal rods. These are same like graphite rods. We get 3 rods: soft, medium and hard. The sandpaper block. Nothing to say about this, it's just a block of sandpapers. The charcoal pencils. We can get 3 charcoal pencils in this kit: soft, medium and hard. The drawing pencils. Actually, I think my cam hasn't focused it well, so you can get clarity in testing. Please watch the video completely. Totally we can get 12 pencils, 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, and the normal pencil we get regularly use HB, and 7 more: B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. The graphite pencil. Here you go, my favorite one in the whole set. It was 6B graphite soft. It's woodless, so it has some weight rather compared to the wood pencils. At present, I'm in love with this pencil. Ting! It's testing! have completed the video and finally I want to show you some of my drawings where I used these pencils to draw them. And that's all about today's video. If you want more videos like this, let me know by commenting below. Please like, share and subscribe to Friendly Vibes. Thank you for watching.